Next, you need to install MySQL. Do this, type apt-get install MySQL-server and press enter. Enter Y for yes and press enter. Everything will be downloaded and installed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a root password for the MySQL. Type a password for root access and press enter. Then you'll be prompted to repeat the password to confirm. Type clear to clear the screen. Lastly, to ensure MySQL is secure, you need to run a post-install script. Type MySQL_secure_installation and press enter. You need to then enter the password you created before to start the script. Select No for the password checks. Then select No again. And finally, select Yes for everything else.